Hola estudiantes, buenos días y ¿cómo están? Espero que todo están bien. Hi everybody, I hope everybody is great. Vamos a comenzar. Let's begin. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. ¿Y cómo te vas? ¿Cómo te vas? Bien, now let's quickly just recap what we're looking at in the last 2 weeks, and then we're going to get into our lesson for today. By the way, now we have been looking at las formas. ¿Qué es esto? Las formas. ¿Qué es esto? So we were asking what is this, and we looked at the different shapes. Well, some of the shapes. Una estrella, a star. Un rombo, a diamond. Un círculo, a circle. Lo siento, un círculo, a circle. There's also un rectángulo, rectangle. Un cuadrado, a square. Un triángulo, a triangle. Un corazón, a heart. Y un óvalo, which is an oval. Now we were also describing these shapes in Spanish, so you would ask, ¿de qué color es el óvalo? What color is the oval? And we would say, for example, el óvalo es verde. The oval is green. Or we could ask, ¿de qué color es la estrella? What color is the star? And we could say, la estrella es anaranjada. In this case, this color is orange, so orange is anaranjada. Now those other colors that we looked at were anaranjado, orange, amarillo, yellow, and remember we add an A, we change the O to A if we're talking about a feminine noun. So amarillo becomes amarilla if it's a feminine noun. Anaranjado becomes anaranjada if it's a feminine noun. So for all the colors that end with O, once we're describing a feminine noun, we change the O's to A, alright? So morado or morada, purple. Azul, blue, and once it's a singular noun, we don't change azul at all, okay? There's also rojo, red. Café, brown. We don't change café either for singular nouns. Rosado, pink. Verde, green. And negro, which is black. Now, in our very last class, we were looking at how to ask and say how old we are, and also how to say that somebody else is this amount of year has this amount of years for their age. So I would ask, for example, Raúl, ¿cuántos años tienes tú? ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? ¿Cuántos años tienes tú? Which is asking him, how old are you? So, Raúl, ¿cuántos años tienes tú? And he would say, yo tengo 5 años, which means I am 5 years old. But what if I wanted to ask him about somebody else? For example, I want to find out how old Jonathan is. So I would say, Raúl, ¿cuántos años tiene Jonathan? And he would say, for example, let's pretend that Jonathan is 7. He would tell me, Raúl would tell me that Jonathan tiene 7 años. Jonathan is 7 years old. See? Good. Now, today we are moving on to another topic, and this is a topic we started to look at in Grado 1 in grade 1, and it is el alfabeto. So, let's firstly go through the English alphabet. Now, we're going to sing after 2. I want you to sing with me, so let's go. Después de dos, after 2. 1, 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, not L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P. I want to hear those letters. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, Raúl, sing with me. All right, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be revisiting the first 10 letters of the alphabet along with las vocales, and we're going to be doing some spelling in español, in Spanish. So before I allow you to watch a video, let's see if we remember what these are. Now this says las vocales and it means vowels. Now in Spanish we have cinco vocales, 5 vowels. They are a, e, I, o, u. They are a, e, I, o, u. And I taught you a song in grade 1 that goes like this. If you remember it, I want you to sing it with me, okay? Here we go. Después de dos, uno, dos. Each Spanish vowel has one sound, and this is how it goes. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. And this is how it goes. Otra vez. Each Spanish vowel has one sound, and this is how it goes. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. And this is how it goes. Awesome. So the Spanish vowels, las vocales, are a, which is a. This is how we say a in Spanish, a. I is e, I is I, o is o, and u is u. Now there's a video, another YouTube video I want you to watch right now with the Spanish the letters of the Spanish alphabet. Now it's a song and I want you to listen very carefully and look at the letters, and we're going to start together. We're going to go through those letters together, all right? So you can go ahead and watch the video now. Hola! So as I said, we're going to be looking at the first 10 letters of the Spanish alphabet, which means we're going from A to J today. So I'm going to point to the letters, I'm going to say what they are in English, and then I'm going to give you their Spanish names, all right? Vámonos, here we go. So A is A. Repitan. A is A. A is A. A is A. Now let's go over to B. B is B. B is B. B is B. Let's move over to C. C is C. C is C. C is C. D is D. D is D. D is D. Then we have E is E. E is E. E is E. F is F. F is F. F is F. Now G, this one sounds a little bit tricky. It's actually he. Now you might think it's J. It's he. G is he, like H. So G is he. G is he. G is he. Now H is H. Now the H on this letter right here, the Spanish pronunciation, the H is silent. So we're going to say H. So H is H. H is H. Repitan. H is H. H is H. Muy bien. And the next one, oops. I is E. I is E. I is E. Y la última, J. Now, escuchen bien. J is J. J is J. So the J now, it actually sounds like an H. So we say J. J is J. J is J. J is J. Muy bien. Vamos a comenzar otra vez. Let's begin again. A is A. B is B. C is C. D is D. E is E. F is F. G is H. H is H. I is I. J is J. Otra vez. A is A. B is be. C is se. D is de. E is e. F is efe. G is he. H is h. I is I. And J is J. J is J. So let's mix them up a little bit. A is A. D is de. G is he. J is J. B is be. E is E, or E is E. H is H. C is C. F is F. I is I. Would you like us to go through it one more time? Otra vez? Bueno, so la última vez, one more time. So, A is A. B is B. C is se. D is de. E is e. F is efe. G is he. H is h. I is I, or I is I, and then J is J. Now, what I'd also like to tell you is that there are actually 27 letters in the Spanish alphabet. 27. However, there are 30 different sounds, and we're going to go through all of them as well. Also, the Spanish alphabet, this is on, I don't remember what page it is in your workbooks, but it's in your workbooks. I think it's the second page in your workbooks, so you can find them there. But I'll give you a list of the Spanish alphabet on your worksheet as well, so don't worry about that. So what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be spelling some words together. Now, on your activity sheets, I want you to look at the first sentence. So I'm going to be spelling the words that you see there. I want you to listen to the letters, and if you know what they are, you can spell them with me, all right? So the first word is big. So let's see if we can figure out how to spell big in Spanish. So it's going to be B for B, I for I, and G for G. So it's B, I, G, big. Repitan. B, I, G, big. Muy bien. Number two. The word is head. So let's go. H is H. A is A. A is A. Oh, I'm spelling H. I'm sorry, guys. I'm supposed to be spelling head. Lo siento mucho. H is H. E is E. A is A. And D is D. So it's H, E, A, D. Otra vez. H, E, A, D. Muy bien. La otra. Number three. The word is face. So let's go. F for F. A for A. C for C. And E for E. So it's F, A, C, E. Otra vez. F, A, C, E. Face. La otra is the word beach. Ooh, I wish I could go to the beach right now. So it's beach. So let's see. B is B. E is E. A is A. C is C. H is H. Vamos a deletrearlo. B, E, A, C, H, beach. Otra vez. B, E, A, C, H, beach. La otra is the word ache. If you have aches and pains, oh, I have a tummy ache. Oh, I have a headache. Yeah. So we're going to spell the word ache. So it's A for A, C for C, H for H, and E for E. So it's A, C, H, E. ache. Now the next is the word cage. Like you have a dog cage or a hamster cage. So it's C for C, A for A, H for G, and E for E. So let's spell it. C, A, H, E. Cage. C, A, H, E. Cage. La otra is the word chef. Like chef that cooks the nice food for you to eat. So let's go. C, H, E, F. C is C, H is H, E is E, and F is E. So the word chef is spelled C, H, E, F. Now the next one is the word coffee. Now mommy and daddy might have coffee in the mornings to give them some energy or get them awake. I like coffee too. So we're going to spell the word coffee. Now coffee is C for C, O for O. Oh, we're not at O's yet. I'm sorry guys. This word, hold on guys. Let's O is actually O, then F for F, F for F, E for E, E for E, and that's coffee. But we're not doing O just yet. I got that one mixed up with this one. I'm sorry guys. But it's C O F F E E. The next one is the word ice. Now you like your ice cream. So ice is E, where's I? E for I, C for C, and E for E. So ice is spelled E, C, E. And if you want to put cream on it, it's going to be C, R, A, M. And we'll do R in another class, all right? Now the last word is the word idea. Now we have E for I, D for D, E for E, and A for A. So it's E, D, E, A. Idea. E, D, E, A. Idea. So I want you to watch the video one more time, go through the letters, and then we're going to go through the alphabet one more time together, all right? So go ahead, you can watch it right now. I'll wait. I'm just kidding. You can pause the video and go ahead and watch it, and I'll be right, and you can come right back to me, okay? All right, great. So, las letras para hoy. A for A, B for B, C for C, D for D, E for E, F for F, G for G, H for H, E for I, and J for J. So we're going to do the alphabet A to J together. Everybody, vámonos. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Otra vez. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And these are letters A to J in Espanol. So we're going to be spelling some words together. You're also going to be spelling your names. In grade 1, you spelled your first and your last names for me. Now we're going to be spelling additional words. And since you're in grade 2, yes, you're going to get some big girl and big boy words for me for you to spell. And you're going to be spelling those in Spanish. Now on your activity sheet, there are some words there for you. Now these are not hard words, these are easy words. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You're going to practice spelling these using the Spanish alphabet. Now remember, you have the video to help you if you don't remember what the letters are. You also have the Spanish alphabet in your textbooks, and if you don't have your textbook, on your activity sheet the letters are there for you as well. Okay, so go ahead and practice. The words you're seeing are dog, deaf, dead, egg, hide, acid, dice, had, fed, and feed. So they're very easy words. So you can just practice spelling them so you can remember the letters of the Spanish alphabet. And so when it's time, you can spell some other words for me, okay? So for now, we are going to be saying adios, 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 estudiantes.